Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is ChimereNicole. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing a fun hair tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look, which is of course my pink hair. So without further ado, we are going to jump right into today's tutorial. So today I'm going to be using hair by Virgin Hair Fixx. I'm going to be using one lace closure, and this is going to be in the texture loose wave, as well as 4 bundles of 24 inches of hair. I'm going to have all of the hair specifications and information listed in the description box if you want to check out Virgin Hair Fixx. So for products today, I am going to be using some high lift colors. So we're going to be needing some bleach, 40 bob developer, and colorable and tint brush. Make sure that your bleach mixture is a really thick, creamy consistency. We don't want it to be runny. I'm going to open up my first bundle of 24 inches and I'm going to start to apply the hair bleach at the bottom. It just makes it easier so that the hair doesn't tangle up while you're applying the bleach, and it's just easier to work from the bottom all the way up to the top. So I'm going to bleach, I will probably say about 80% of this bundle. This is going to be the bundle that's going to be at the top, so I know that I need most of this bundle to be colored. I'm going to complete this process on one side and then I'm going to flip it over and repeat. Process for about 20 minutes. I'm going to let that air dry and then I'm going to apply my demi-permanent color. Again, I will have all of the color specifications in the description box, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to create an ombre effect using pink. So the first color I'm going to be applying is actually gray. I'm using this to tone the hair. I didn't want it to be too much of a blonde, and I know that the gray would give me the look that I was going for. I didn't want necessarily gray hair, but I wanted there to be a natural gradient between the pink and the 1B color, or the natural color of the hair extensions. Again, I'm going to turn it over and repeat it on the opposite side, and then I'm going to go in immediately and apply the pink. Now, the one tip that I would give you when you're applying multiple colors to your hair extensions is it's okay for the colors to overlap. I feel like it gives it a natural gradient, and there's not like one line of gray and then one line of pink. It just makes everything look a lot more natural, and the colors are a lot more fluent. So I'm just going to go over and overlap some of that pink with the gray, making sure that all of the strands are evenly saturated. And again, I am going to let this process for another 40 minutes to an hour. I like to process my hair in plastic bags, so it just creates a heat source when you don't have one, and just let it sit. So now that the hair has processed, you've washed it, you've deconditioned it, it's time to make the wig. I have multiple hair tutorials showing you how I make my wigs. I'll have those also listed in the description box if you want to check those out. But today I'm going to give you a brief overview on how I make my hair wigs. So I'm going to start off by applying my lace closure. And as you can see, I like to use stick pins just to keep it in place. And when I apply my lace closures, you can see that I apply the needle in a downward motion, and this just ensures that your lace closures lay flat without any bumps. I'm going to complete the same process on the other side, and then once you have your lace closure sewn down, we're going to move on to installing Get to the top, I like to use a curling wand just to make sure that my lace closures and frontals lay as flat as possible, but I didn't have access to one at the moment. So what I did was I took a little bit of a wax stick, I applied it to my part, and I used my flat iron to keep my hair flat and to get those flyaways in order. So as you can see, the hair is straight, it is smooth, and this hair was bleached with 40 volume, and as you can see, it still has movement. It's very soft. And as you guys know, I didn't put any product on it, and it came out perfect. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's look. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next video.